Now you'll notice, and again, in most of the other videos with some of the Radiance lights that we've done on the Broncos, I installed them with these flip brackets because the way that the rigid lights are made, they have their mounting points here on the bottom of the case. And the standard brackets that come with those will come out and mount from the bottom side. Like the Raptor, the Broncos bracket will attach to the bumper from the top side, which means that the mount on the light needs to hang down from that. So now the brackets that come with the lights are these standard stainless steel lights with the D series lights and so on. You'll see that they're going to mount to the bottom side with the screws there. The only problem with that for some people is it's going to put the words rigid upside down. If that bothers you, you do have the option of these additional long brackets that you can see are going to bolt that from the bottom and come out the top. That's going to put the words rigid right side up. You know, it's not going to affect the way the lights work. It's just a cosmetic thing. In the Bronco, it's a little different story than the Raptor. In the Raptor, you are going to see this rigid in all three sections and so on. You can also take a black marker, a black paint pen or something like that, and you can cover that over and you really wouldn't notice it again. It's just a rotational thing. The case is going to be the same other than the words there. So if it doesn't bother you, not a big deal. In the Bronco here, as you notice, the top part of that frame is actually covered anyway. So if you do get these optional flip brackets in the Bronco, you're not going to see the words rigid at all, but you're also going to hide the fact that they're upside down here in these first two. The third one, you actually don't even really see. So, you know, you could actually get by with just two pairs if you wanted to. We don't make these a standard requirement because they would add cost to your kit. We make them optional because if you want them, you can add them, but if you don't want them, you don't have to. If that's something that bothers you, just add those additional brackets and you're good to go. But either way, the brackets are going to come out the top or the bottom of the light, and it's going to look just like this. All right, thanks again for watching. Don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe, and visit us at spvparts.com to pick up these kits and others for your Raptor, Bronco, and other vehicles. And leave us some comments below. We'd love to hear your feedback. Feedback is always great. Anything else that you'd like to see. And thanks again. We'll see you next time.